I want to talk about this vacuum sealer machine that LACRTOPE sent me to do a video on. First of all, what do you get? You right there, you see the main unit, the vacuum sealer machine. We'll take a look at that in a moment. And you get a variety of other attachments. You can use this for mason jars as well. What I'm doing today, I have a pork chop. I bought a whole bunch, and they were absolutely delicious, but I'm not going to eat all of them. So before I cook them, I'm going to vacuum seal one of them, put in the freezer, take out when I want it. It's a piece of cake. You put it in, and I sped this up a little bit to make it go a little bit faster, and you'll just let it vacuum seal. It's going to suck all of the air out, and then after that, you're going to put it in the freezer, and it's going to keep it from getting freezer burn. It's going to keep it fresh, so when you finally want to use it, you can simply take it out of the freezer, let it thaw out, and you're good to go. And after it's been had all the air taken out, I'm going to seal the package as well to give it that good seal so air can't get in. And who's this going to be good for? Anyone who wants to save a buck or two. And I'm thinking especially anyone who processes their own game. If you're a hunter or a fisherman or something like that, this is going to be absolutely invaluable. If you'd like to pick up one for yourself, click on the link in the description below.